Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And yeah, absolutely monster move here. That trend line right there got destroyed, and the rest is history. So much so that I'm just going to start new and get rid of all these lines. Sure, these levels pertain, but they're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines overlooked. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. But one of the newest areas of support, and what I would now call the ideal level, and say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay above 85 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 85, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 85 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance going forward, key dynamic to keep an eye on is going to be right up there, where essentially the party stopped today. And that sits right up there at, we'll call it the 97-cent mark. So keep a close eye on 97 cents going into Friday. All in all, though, huge move today, huge volume. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.